Hello gents, so today we are Saturday, it's a weekend and it's pretty relaxing. It's around 4 p.m. and what better time to drink some Nescafe coffee. So this is the beauty I just bought yesterday. So this is a Nescafe Dolce Gusto. It really looks the part, and I'm gonna make a cup because I already had an Americano and a coffee and milk. I'm gonna get the decaf. Let's make it. So the first step is to fill in the water tank with, you guessed it, water. Okay, job done. Then you take your mug. Then you take your mug and you place it here. So this actually is adjustable. So there are 3 different places where you can put it. Put it there. Put your mug. Okay. So before doing anything, you're just gonna turn it on. So it's probably warming the water. And we are just waiting for it to change to green. Okay, that's good, so it's green. So the next step, we're gonna hold this. And put the cafe au lait decaf. So you can see on the left, you've got 6 different steps out of 7. So we're gonna replicate here. So we're gonna just put it there. Close the hatch. And we're gonna increase it to number 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then if you want cold coffee, you turn it on this side, and if you want hot, you turn it on the other side. So everything is good. Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Let's turn it on. Pretty instantly, you get some nice milk coffee coming from the machine. Nescafe is actually a great coffee machine because I used to buy, coffee from the coffee shop, from petrol stations, and these can be quite expensive. 2.5 pounds, 3 euros, every single cup. So since I bought it, I just don't need a Costa or Starbucks because Nescafe is real deal. So it's just made 1 cup, but I like it big, so I'm gonna take another cup. With the same intensity. So you can see the cup here, the mug. It's actually a really amazing mug that a friend of mine from Korea gave it to me as a gift when he came to see me in 2015 in London, and I just love this mug. You can see here International Airport in Cheon, which is in Seoul. So here you go. So it's all done. So I got a nice coffee here, hot. And what I will do now is to clean up. So I'm gonna clean this part in the sink, and I'm gonna clean this as well. So hope you enjoyed my Nescafe how to make coffee, and have a great day.